Imagine the year 2523. The world has evolved, morphing into an amalgamation of technological wonders and environmental shifts, the likes of which shape every aspect of human life. Today, we will delve into an intriguing scenario, the transformation, ultimate fate of what we currently know as buses. Once upon a time, buses were the arteries of urban transportation, pulsating through cities with throngs of people. However, in 2523, these machines have become relics, artifacts of a bygone era when humans actively participated in driving and fossil fuels dominated our energy sources. In this future, after several catastrophic climate events and relentless advancements in technology, traditional buses have not merely transformed. They're devastated relics, lying dormant beneath layers of vegetation or repurposed into housing or community centers in a world drastically short on resources. Our story unravels in a city once famed for its bustling streets, now overtaken by nature. Here lies the Garden of Wheels, a vast park that was once a parking depot for buses. These vehicles are now covered with ivy and moss. These serve as planters for crops and wildflowers, providing sustenance and beauty to the locals. The citizens use sophisticated AI-controlled drones for travel. Drones that are so advanced, they adapt instantaneously to weather conditions and individual preferences, measuring optimal routes and safety. These drones have rendered traditional bus transport obsolete, generating what could only be described as a post-vehicular world. Now, here's where your expertise comes in. Imagine researching this scenario. You explore how sustainable practices were integrated into transportation planning, long before they became mandatory due to environmental degradation. You study how social changes influence transportation policies. The move towards collectivism after decades of rampant individualism, reflected in its shared drones operations. Let's consider another angle, a devastating future where AI controls led to unexpected vulnerabilities. An over-reliance that saw entire systems crashing down during solar flares or cyber attacks. Each bus stop tells tales of these vulnerabilities. Now hubs for teaching manual survival skills to a new generation grew up amidst technologies, but remain painfully unaware of personal resilience skills. Through holographic simulations powered by quantum computing, you bring to life the challenges faced during transitional periods, from buses to drones. These simulations aren't just academic exercises. They're visceral experience for students who we need to understand deeply how technological reliance can both uplift and destabilize societies. In your thesis, argue either for the necessity of such transitions or critique the societal losses incurred during these shifts. Whichever stance you adopt, ensure it is backed by robust data analytics that simulating different outcomes based on slight variations in policy choices made today. As erudite scholars pushing the boundaries of transportation history and urban anthropology, you carry forward lessons gleaned from these narratives, but just conserving them as scholarly discussions, but use and define them as blueprints for real-world applications and considerations about future societal structuring around technology and environmental conservation. So dive deep into these stories, hidden within these used bus depots. You can keep them if I would. I try the foodie studying and love the couple of these. And the ones I can, I get a similar highways. Each holds lessons crucial, not only for academic pursuits, but for shedding real decisions about tomorrow's urban landscapes and human interactions therein. This exploration is not merely academic. It's a journey in potential futures shaped by our current decisions and visions. A fascinating tale where each chapter unfurls critical truths about our harmonious or discordant coexistence with technology and nature.